Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming back to share another Saturday morning makes, as well as hashtag two crafters, one design. And let's just jump right in. The color of this does not quite match what it is. I am actually using salvage patina for the colors, salvage patina and white cardstock. And let me show you some of the things I used to make it. Using VersaFine Clear for the inside of the card. I'm also using these little Paper Roses shaker mix. And I'm using Happy Birthday for the inside of the card as well. And that's from that new set I got from Pure and Simple off of Simon Says Stamp. The surprise came from my Creative Time. It's right there. This background die here is one of the ones I picked up from Spellbinders. And it's this set here. The name of it is All Is Calm Word Frame. And I'm also using the square dies, and I just chose one to go behind that. And the main thing that Gloria and I are using this week is Pretty Pink Posh, the present dies, or Build-A-Gift is what it's called. All right. And so let me just show you that a little bit more close. So, and I also use glossy accents. So I glossy accented this surprise. I took this marker, I forgot to show you that. And this is BG13 Copic marker, and I just colored up those gems for that. And then I used the salvage patina on here as well as on the background die for that, and color that up, or rather ink that up, and yeah, that's how it turned out. And I also inked up the one in the inside, and that says Happy Birthday there. I thought this turned out super cute. Check out the picture at the end, as well as use those hashtags, or use the links down below to get to the ladies. So make sure you go over and visit Gloria's channel and hit that subscribe button. She's still a new YouTuber, so she needs your support. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.